What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Remy Forte. So this is the wig I got. It's already pre-cut, pre-plugged, pre-bleached, all that good stuff. It does have the gripped elastic band on the inside as well. So first thing first, I'm going to try it on right out of the packaging just to see what it looks like. And I think it looks really good so far. Just showing you up close, you can see the hairline and the lace. So I'm just taking some powder and I'm going to apply that on the inside of the lace just so it can blend better and match me. I'm going to try the wig on again, and as you can see, that is much better. You cannot see the lace, and that's all I wanted. For styling, I am going to do a middle part, so I always like to line the comb up with my nose and try to get it close as center as possible. So I'm just going to continue doing that until I'm pretty much satisfied with the parting. Now I'm just going over that with the hot comb to press it out, make sure the top is laying down flat and that the hairs are laying in the direction that I want them to, since we got our middle part. I'm also making sure that I section off the hair underneath and also hot comb that as well. And this is how we're going to get it to lay nice and flat. Of course, it's curly hair, so we don't need it super flat, but definitely want it to, you know, look put together in uniform. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. You'll see me just parting it off and then going over that with the hot comb. This is both sides after hot combing, and I think that looks so good. As you can see, nice and sleek. I like to highlight my part, so I'm taking this powder and an angle brush and I'm going to use that to highlight it. It's like maybe one shade lighter than the parting, so it's going to bring it out a little bit, but not too much. And then I'm just going to clean it up with my mascara. So I picked up this curling cream. I'm going to use this and apply it to the hair. It also smells really good. It smells like cocoa and vanilla, just really good. So yeah, I'm going to take that and apply it to the hair. I'm just going to run it through with my fingers and work that product in. So I finally got a continuous mist spray bottle. I've been using a little makeshift spray bottle that I had for the longest. But yeah, I'm going to use that so I can wet the hair after I just got done applying the curling cream. So now I'm just going to finish up on the other side. Same thing, apply the product, and then I will go over that with the water bottle and wet the hair down. So yeah, again, I'm just spreading the product out using my fingers. I like to finger comb personally. That's just me. But yeah, you guys, as you can see, super easy, very quick style. I did not do a lot. All I really needed to do was add some makeup to the lace and hot comb it, and I wet the hair, of course. But that's it, quick, easy, ready to go. So if you guys want the same look, I will have everything listed down below, so definitely make sure that you check it out. Like, comment, and sub if you're not already, and I will catch you guys in the next one.
Hey, belle, la mastique, la papaya, do la potato.